Hello everyone. In this video, I'ma show you how to use the Followinglike VPS version. VPS version is to synchronize your tasks on various VPSs so as to speed up your campaign and performance. For example, you can run 1000 Facebook accounts on 10 VPS. Click Cloud Control first. Then input the IP address, username, and password. Remember the port number and you will use it later. Click Open Remote Desktop to connect to your VPS. You should download FL ShareBot on your VPS. If there is no Chrome installed on your VPS, please download and install it. Then open the software and set up the port. The port here should be the same as you set up on Followinglike. You can use this command to make sure the port isn't occupied by other processes. As you can see, there is only one line, which means only FL ShareBot is using this port. Next, get back to the local PC. Then click here to test the connection. If failed, please configure the firewall rules or just close the firewall on your VPS and then try again. You can use this command to configure the firewall rules. I'll put it in the comment area later. 31048 means the port, it should be the same as you set up on FL ShareBot. After that, select the account you want to bind to the VPS and click Bind Cloud. Click Settings to set up the thread. Then click Start to verify your accounts. Next, create tasks on your local PC. Select the account you bound to VPS just now. Click Run, and the task will run on the VPS. Alright, that should be all. Thanks for watching.